Good morning, my dear students. Hope all are doing good and stay safe in the home. So, we have just started our revision portions. The first chapter we already taught or already studied or already given is surface area and volumes. And in that chapter, some questions you have doubt, I know. That question is almost most good response from your part. That means most of the students have sent me the doubt questions. Almost they are similar. That's why all the questions that I got by the doubt clearing section or for the doubt I'll discuss today itself. Okay, so we'll discuss that, directly move to the questions, and in the end of the video I'll give you the which is the next chapter for the what I say next chapter for the revision. Okay, so shall we start? Yes, all of you please take the revision questions. Surface area and volumes, cuboid and cube. That is our first part. Okay, cuboid and cube. First, fifth question. Question number 5. Cuboid and cube. Cuboid and cube. Fifth question. The surface area of a cuboid is, so it is given as TSA. Surface area means total surface area. Okay, of a cuboid is given as 3328 meter square. Okay, and its dimensions are the ratio. Dimensions means what? Length, breadth and height. So length is given as 4x, breadth is given as 3x and height is given as what? 2x. Okay, then we want to find the sides. That's our question. In this question we can write TSA of a cuboid. What is the formula? 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. That is our formula. So you have to given this value is equal to this, and you have to replace L by 4x and B by 3x and H by 2x. That's only we have to done. So 2 into 4x into 3x plus B is 3x into 2x plus 2x into 4x will be equal to what? 3328. Okay, that is 2 into 4 into 3 is 12. So 12x square plus 3 into 2 is 6x square plus 2 into 4 is 8x square will be equal to 3328. Okay, so 12 plus 8 20, 20 plus 6 is 26, 26x square into 2, 26 into 2 is what? 50, 26 into 2, that is 52x square will be equal to 3328. That is x square will be equal to 3328 divided by 52. Okay, so please find out the value 3328 by 52. Please find out. The answer you got as 64. That is x square is equal to 64, is it? Which implies x is equal to what? 8. X will be equal to square root of 64. That is equal to 8. So you have to substitute here. Length will be equal to what? 4 into 8. That is 32. Breadth is equal to 3 into 8. That is 24. Height is equal to 2 into 8. That is 60. Okay. So the answer will be 32. Then 24 and 16 centimeters. Hope you clear this question. We'll move to the next question. Next question is from the cuboid and cube itself, the sixth question. Okay. The length of the cold storage is double its breadth. So length is double its breadth. So you can write length will be equal to double its breadth. That is 2 into B. Okay. And then its height is 3 centimeter. 3 meter. Height is given as 3 meter. That is already given in the question. If the area of the 4 walls including doors is 108. So area 4 walls means that represents lateral surface area. Is it? So lateral surface area of a cuboid is given as what? You already know the formula. What is that? 2 into L plus B into H. That is that lateral surface area of the cuboid. That is given in the question as 108 centimeter. Meter. You want to find the volume. Okay, so you have to substitute here. So 2 into length is replaced by what? 2B. And breadth you have to write B itself. And height is what? 3 is equal to 108. Okay, so 2B plus B is what? 3B. So 3 into 2 is what? 6. 6 into 3 is what? 6 into 3, that is 18. So 18, B will be equal to 108. So B will be equal to what? 108 by 18. 108 by 18. So that is equal to how many times? 6, 48. Yeah, 6 times. B is equal to 6 we got. So if B is equal to 6, what is L? L is equal to 2 into 6, that is equal to 12. So you got as length is equal to 12 and breadth is equal to 6 and height is equal to 3. So volume equal to, how will you find the volume of a cuboid? Length into breadth into height. So that is equal to, length is what? 12. So 12 into 6 into 3. So 12 into 6 is what? Yes, 72. 72 into 3. 72 into 3 is 216 meter cube. That is our answer. Okay, hope you clear this question. We will move to the next one. Next one is in the same section, 8th question. The dimension of a metallic cuboid are 100 centimeter, 80 centimeter and 64 centimeter. It is melted and recast into a cube. Find the surface area of the cube. That is our question. So length, breadth and height is already given in the question. That is 100, 80 and 64. Is it? That means the volume of the cuboid is same as, the concept you have to apply here is volume of cuboid. That is, the cuboid is melted. Melted means what? That is melted and recast into a cube. That means both the volumes are same. That is, volume of the cuboid will be equal to what? Volume of cube. Okay, volume of cuboid already given in the question. What is that? It's 100 centimeter into 80 centimeter into 64. Is it? That is equal to volume of a cuboid is a formula? A cube. Okay, so 100 into 80 is 8000. 8000 into 64. 64 into 80 is what? 32 to remainder 3. Yes, 512. Then 000 will come. That will be equal to A cube. You have to put the cube root. Is it? If it is 30, you have to put 10. Okay, and 512, which is the cube root of 512? Yes, you already know, that is 80. So A will be equal to 80. But in our question, we want to find what surface area, is it? So surface area of cube. Surface area of cube means what? Total surface area of a cube. You know, already know the following. What is the formula? 6A square, is it? So 6 into A is what? 80 square. That is 6 into 6400. That is equal to 4 remainder to 3800. This unit centimeter cube. Sorry, square. 38400. That is 38,400 centimeter square is our answer. Hope you clear this question. Then we will go to the next question. That is 9th question. 9th question is simple question. That is, the volume of the two cubes are in the ratio 8:27. Okay, so volume of the one cube we can write as V1 and the volume of the second cube is V2. So what is our formula? That is 8/27 will be equal to, what is the formula? Volume of a cube is what? A1 cube, is it? By A2 cube we can write, is it? So we need what? This, instead of this can be written as what? 2 cube. 8 can be written as 2 cube, is it? 2 cube by 3 cube is equal to A1 cube by A2 cube. So you can write A1 by A2 is equal to what? Taking the cube root on both sides, you get 2 by 3 is our answer. The ratio is what? 2:3. Okay, hope you clear this question. Next is from the same section, the question number 12 is our next question. A river 3.5 meter deep, and deep means what? Its height is equal to 3.5 meter. Okay, and 28 meter wide. That means breadth is equal to 28 meter and is flowing at a rate of 2.4 kilometer per hour. So water flowing per hour is given as what? In our question it is given as 2.4 kilometer. These quantities are in meter. So this is in kilometer. So you have to convert that into meter. Okay. So we can write that is equal to water flowing per minute. Question is what? In 10 minutes is our question. So you have to convert the hour into minutes. So how will you convert hour into minutes? 2.4 kilometer by 60. Okay. And this kilometer you have to convert into meter. That means into 1000 will come. So that is equal to 2400 divided by 60. So what is our answer here? It is 4 times, so 40 will come. 40 meter per, okay, 40 meter, that's enough. Okay, but in our question is what? Water flowing. What is the question? In 10 minutes. Is it in 10 minutes? How many liters of water is it? So we can write what is that means represents what? Volume. Volume of this cuboid, that is LBH. That is 3. L is what you got as 40. So 40 into B is 28 into height is 3.5. So please find out, multiply and find out the answer. So while multiplying, you get the answer as 39200. What meter? So you have to convert that into liter. That is our question. So you have into 1000 will come. That is 39200. Then again 000 liters. Meter cube to liter is what? Into 1000. So you have to multiply it by that value into 1000. That is our answer. Next question is very simple question, but I don't know why you didn't get this answer. If the length of the diagonal of a cube is 6 root 3 centimeter, find the length of edge of the cube. So you already know if A be the edge of the cube, then diagonal of the cube. I already said the formula. Do you anyone remember? Yes, root 3 into A is the diagonal. Okay, but in our question, diagonal is given as what? 6 root 3. So you can write 6 root 3. That is diagonal is given as root 3 into A is given as 6 root 3. So here root 3, here root 3. So you can cancel that. So A will be equal to what? 6. Or you can write root 3 into A is equal to 6 root 3. So A will be equal to what? 6 root 3 by root 3. So root 3 and root 3 cancel. So A will be equal to what? 6. These are the doubt questions from the section cuboid and cube. And in the cylinder part, no one ask me the doubts because I think you all are expert in finding the volume and surface area of the cylinder. And the cone section also 4 questions are there, and the sphere also 2 questions. Okay, after that we will close this section. And before that I want to say next chapter, which will be the next chapter. And first of all you have to practice the textbook exercise. After that tomorrow I will give the questions based from the section. I will give the topic also. Okay, so we'll move to the next section, that is cone. Okay, the question is this: the height and slant height of the cone. So height is given as what? 21 centimeters. Slant height means what? L. Okay, that is given as 28 centimeter. Okay, and one more thing is given. What is that? You have to find the volume of the cone. That is our question. You have to find volume. You already know how to find the volume of the cone. That formula is what? 1 by 3 pi r square h is the volume of the cone. But here we need what? R. So here only h and L are given. So you have to write L square is equal to what? R square plus h square. That is 28 square will be equal to r square plus 21 square. Okay. So you can write r square will be equal to 28 square minus 21 square. You have to subtract it. Otherwise you one easy method is it? That is a square minus b square form is it? If it is a square minus b square, how can we write a plus b into a minus b? That is 28 minus 21 into 28 plus 21. This is a one way. Okay. So 28 minus 21 is what? 7 into multiplying this is to 8 minus 1 is, 8 plus 1 is 9 and then 49. So just multiply. So 3 remainder 6. So 28 plus 6 is what? 34. So 343 will be r square. Okay, this much enough because when we are finding the cube root. Okay, so r will be equal to what? Root of 343. Root of 343 is what? 343 is 7 cube, is it? So you can write root of 7 into 7 into 7. That is from 1 7 you have to take it outside. 7 root 7 centimeter. Okay, this is our r. You want to find what? Volume, is it? So please write down these much things. So volume is equal to 1 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7 r square. R is what? 7 root 7 into 7 root 7 into height is what? 21. Okay, you can cancel 7 and 7 and 3 and 7 here. So 22 into root 7 into root 7 is 7 into 7 into this 7. So you have to multiply all this. And you got the answer as 7546 centimeter cube. I think you may be started with r square is equal to 343. Then what is the next step? I think there will be confusion in you. So I think that will be clear. Just factorize and grouping. So it becomes r will be equal to what? 7 root 7. So you have to substitute here. That's all. Okay. So we'll move to the next question. Okay, the question is the diameters of two cones are equal. So there are two cones. So I will mark as C1 as the first cone and C2 as the second cone. Okay, diameters are equal. That is D1 is equal to D2. If the diameters are equal, then radius also equal. Is it? So R1 will be equal to what? R2. Okay, and then if the slant height are the ratio 5x, 5:4, that is 5x and 4x is the slant height. But we have to find? We have to find CSA. CSA means what? CSA means curved surface area, is it? So I'll write CSA of 1 and CSA of second cone. So you have to find the ratio, is it? CSA 1 by CSA 2. Okay, CSA 1 means first cone surface area. What is the formula? Pi r L, is it? So I will write pi r1 L1. This is L1 and this is L2. Okay. Then divide by pi r2 L2. Is the pi value changing? No, because that is a constant. So you can cancel directly by this. Okay. Then r1 is what? R1 is equal to r2. So you are at r1 here. And L1 is equal to what? 5x. All are into. Okay. And r2 is same as what? R1 is. So I will replace r2 by r1 into L2 is what? 4 into x. Okay, so r1 cancel, x cancel, so answer will be what? 5 by 4. So ratio will be equal to what? 5:4. When 5 ratio and the slant heights are equal, if the diameters or the radius of the cones are same, then we can write what? Its surface areas will be equal to what? Equal to what? L and L1 and L2, that is equal to the slant height of the cone. Okay, so hope you clear this question. Then we will move to the next question. Okay, 7th question by mistake only I am putting, sorry for that, and that will be discussed on the 10th standard, that is 10th standard topic. While revolving around the hypotenuse means it represents what? Double cone. Double cone concept will be discussed on the 10th standard only. Now you don't no need to go for that, okay, because that is a abstract concept first. That's why abstract concept means what? When you are revolving around the hypotenuse, it becomes what? Double cone. The double cone means two cones are there. So you have to find the separately, you have to find the volume and all things. Okay. So that's why I skipped that question. Sorry for the inconvenience occurred. That is 7th question. You can just cancel it. Okay. If anyone interested, I will send you the answers. So interested, please contact me. Not for the examination point of view. Only for your knowledge only. The 7th question. Okay. Then we'll move to the 8th question. 8th question is the radius and slant height of the cone are in the ratio. So radius is 4x. Okay. Slant height is equal to what? 7x. Okay. If the CSA of the cone, curved surface means CSA, is equal to given as 792 centimeter square, find its radius and total surface area. Okay. So TSA of the cone is what? Pi RL. That is given as 792. That is 22 by 7 into radius is 4x, slant height is 7x is equal to 792. Okay, 7 and 7 you can cancel. And then 22 into 4 is 88. X square will be equal to 792. So x square will be equal to 792 by 88. Okay, so please find out what is the answer. 792 divided by 88. Please find out the value. So x square will you get the answer as 9. So x will be equal to what? Root 9, that is equal to 3. But in our question, radius is what? Radius is 4x, is it? So 4 into 3, that is equal to 12 centimeter. That you already got. Okay. Then you have to find total surface. That is easy question, is it? You have please find out by yourself. TSA is equal to, what is the formula? TSA of the cone. Yes, pi r into r plus L. Pi you already know 22 by 7. Radius is 12 and 12 plus then here L you have to find, that is 7 into 3, that is equal to 21 centimeter. So L is equal to 21, R is equal to 12. So you have to find TSA by just substituting the value. Okay, you will get the answer as given in the answer key. Okay, so you will move to the next section, that is based on the spheres and hemispheres. Next one is sphere and hemisphere. Next section is spheres and hemispheres. In that, two questions came from the doubts part. That is, sixth one is the first question. Okay, sixth one, the surface area of the sphere is same as the CSA of the cone, having the radius of base 12 and 120 centimeter and height 160 centimeter. Find the radius of the sphere is a question. Okay, but here it is given as surface area of sphere will be equal to what is same as what? The CSA of the cone. Is it? CSA of cone. So you have to write the formula first. Surface area of the sphere is what? 4 pi r square. Okay, CSA of the cone is what? Pi rl. Is it? So 4 pi and pi you can directly cancel. So 4 into r square will be equal to, what is the radius of the cone? That is already given as 120 into, and then height is only given as 160. Is it? So you have to find L. Okay, so by side you can write L square is equal to r square plus h square. L square is equal to, you have to find L square. Radius is 120 centimeter square plus height is what? 160 square. So okay, so that is 12 square is 144, then double 0 plus 16 square is what? 256. 256 double 0. While adding this 0 0, then 6 plus 4 is 10, 0 remainder 1, 4 plus 5 is 9 plus 1 remainder 1, then 1 2 3, then 4. Okay, so you have to find the square root. So 2010 you have to write, then again 2010 you have to write. Square root of 4 is what? 2. So answer will be 200 centimeters. So L will be equal to what? 200. Okay, so r square will be equal to what? 120 into 200 divided by what? 4. Okay, so 4 and 20 you can cancel, 50 will come. So that is 112 into 5 is what? 60. Then double 0, 6000 will come. Okay, so from this you will just factorize and find out. Okay, I'll show here. Okay, I'll rub and show you how to find the square root of this number. Okay, listen here. You want to find 6000. Long division method. Grouping. 60. Below 60, which is a perfect square, 7 only will come. 7, 7. That is 49 will come. Okay. Next remainder 1. So here 5 only will come. 5 minus 1, 4 is 1. Then 2 zeros you have to write down. Okay. 7, double of 7 is what? 14. So which number will come? So almost 7 will come. So here also 7 will come. So 7 into 7 is 49, 9 remainder 4. 7 into 4 is 28. 28 plus 4 is 32. 2 remainder 3. 7. 7 plus 3 is what? 10. Then 10 1 times. Then here 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. Then here no, nothing will be there. 71. Then that will not be moved. So you have to put the point here. Okay, and then you have to put 2 zeros. So 77, double of 77 is what? 14, 4, remainder 1, 154. So which number will come? You have to find. So almost 4 will come. So that is 4 will come. Multiplying 4, 4 is 16, 6 remainder 1, 16 plus 1, 77 remainder 1, 21 plus 20 plus 1, 21 remainder 2. Then 4 into 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. Likewise, that is moving. So R will be equal to 77.4. The answer key I'll give as 77.46. Then no problem. Only 77.4 you can write. Or you can factorize this directly. That is 6000 by 2 it is 3000 by 2 it is 1500 by 2 it is, yes, 750 by 2 it is 375. Then we will not go by 7. Sorry, 2. Then 5 plus 3, 8 plus 7, 15 will move. So 3 you can write. So 1 time 2, then 125 will come. Then by 5 it is 25. Then by 5 it is 5. Then you have to group it. So 2 into, here also 2 will come. Then here 5 will come. Then remainder 3 into 5 is 15. Okay, so 5 into 2 is 10. 10 into 2 is 20. The root 15 is the another answer. Both are same. Okay, either you can write 20 root 15 or you can write 77.4. Okay, hope you clear this question. Then we will move to the last question of this section, that is find the volume and surface area of the largest sphere curved out of a cube of 7 centimeter. One concept you have to find, sphere. From that sphere you have to find what we have to take one. We have to form what largest sphere that can be carved from a cube. So one cube will be there, and in that cube, inside a cube, one sphere will be carved out. Okay, so that means what? The diagonal of the cube, sorry, the edge of the cube. The edge of the cube will be the diameter. Is it? That is, this length will be equal to this one. Is it? So you have to write diameter of sphere will be equal to what? Edge of what? The cube. Okay, and edge of cube is given as 7. So diameter of the sphere is equal to 7. So radius will be equal to what? 7 by 2 centimeter. Okay, now you can easily find the what surface area. What is the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. You can find out. And then volume of the sphere is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is from this equation you can easily find out. Okay, hope you clear today's section, and the next day's revision topic is 2 simple chapters, that is probability and statistics. Only 2 simple chapters. From today you have to complete that textbook exercise questions from probability and then histogram or the statistics, and tomorrow I'll give the additional questions from that. Please go through the end tab. Saturday I will put the questions in end tab. You have to work out, and doubt questions you can be asked me, and Monday I will clear in the Monday's class I will clear the doubts. Okay, hope you clear today's section. If again you have doubt you can ask me. See you in the next class. Stay safe in the home itself. Bye.